ERP Next provides you the automated procurement to payment cycle. The procurement process follows these steps. Material request. Start by identifying and requesting the materials needed. Request for quotation. Send out requests to suppliers for price quotes on the materials. Quotation entry. Enter the received quotations into the system. Quotation comparison. Compare the quotations to select the best option. Purchase order. Issue a purchase order to the chosen supplier. Material receipt. Receive the materials from the supplier. Purchase entry. Record the received materials in the system. Payment receipt. Process the receipt of payment from the supplier. Payment. Make the payment to the supplier. Let's take a look at the video for the procurement to payment cycle through ERP Next. For this, first, we go to Buying and create a material request for the items that you want. Let's say you require an item. Merch SDA when it is required. Let's say the 29th. How much quantity do you require? How much quantity do you require? Then save it, then submit it. After creating a material request, we will create a request for quotation from suppliers. So click on plus, our company address, select the suppliers whom we will be sending the quotation to. Supplier 2, select the contact whom we will be sending the email to. The email ID will be automatically fetched from contacts record. Save it, and then submit it. So request for quotation is created. Now we will receive quotation from the suppliers. So create a supplier quotation from supplier 1. Create. You can select the amount which he has quoted. Let's say he quoted 30 rupees, 35 rupees, and 25 rupees. Now save it. So you will see supplier has quoted this. Click on Submit button. We'll again go back to supplier request for quotation, then create a quotation we'll see from the supplier 2. Enter the amount which he has quoted and save it. So quotation from suppliers has been received. Now we propose to use AI to read PDFs and input data into ERP Next. Now you can compare the quotation received from the suppliers. Go to Supplier Quotation, Report View, select the report, and select the request for quotation. So you will see you can compare the prices of the different suppliers for different items, and based on that, you can create purchase order accordingly. So we'll create a purchase order for the supplier, create purchase order, and when it is required, it is automatically 29, which we had in the material request. Taxes, automatic taxes calculated. Click on Submit button. Now the purchase order is to receive a bill. We'll create the purchase's receipt. How many quantities are you accepting? How many are you rejecting? If you're rejecting, then you have to specify the rejected warehouse. Save, submit it. You will see the purchase receipt as to bill, then we'll create purchase invoice. So supply invoice number 123451. Date today. Save it, and then submit it. So purchase invoice is created and purchase amount is unpaid. So we'll create a payment request entry. How much amount we want to pay, click on Submit. We can also select the mode of payment which we want to pay it from check. Save it, submit it. Now we create a permanent entry, amount we are paying. We have to enter our check number for which we have paid. Save it, and submit it. This concludes the local mental payment cycle in ERP Next. Thank you for watching the demo. Now connect us on WhatsApp on the number given below and visit our website.